Mastering articles a and the English grammar made easy. Question 1. What is definite article? Answer. The definite article is it is used to specify a particular noun. Question 2. Which preposition is used to show location? Answer. The preposition in is used to show location inside a place. Question 3. When do you use the indefinite article a? Answer. We use a before a singular noun that begins with a consonant sound to refer to any one other thing. Question 4. Can you name a preposition that shows movement from one place to another? Answer. The preposition to is used to show movement from one place to another. Question 5. Give an example of a sentence with the indefinite articles and. Answer. I saw an owl in the tree. Question 6. How is the different from a and an? Answer. The is used to refer to a specific noun while a and an are used to refer to anyone that thing. Question 7. Which preposition is used to describe the location of something nearby? Answer. The preposition near is used to describe the location of something close or nearby. Question 8. Can you provide an example sentence with the and a in it? Answer. The cat chased a mouse. Question 9. What is the role of preposition in sentence? Answer. Prepositions show the relation between a noun or pronoun and other words in a sentence, such as location or direction. Question 10. When do you use an instead of a? Answer. An is used before singular pronouns that begins with a vowel sound to refer to any one of the things. Thanks for watching, kids. Please like, share and subscribe. Learn and play with Shiva's YouTube channel. Bye.